This is a beginner friendly hairdrop tutorial. You're gonna stick to the end and watch how we're going to achieve this in a bit. Are we missing something out already? No, I'm gonna take it back. You see, the beginning is going to be grab your material and gather it anyhow. Take it to the front and cross right to left, left to right. Now after crossing, you have the excess at the side and you're going to use your hand to divide it into two, where you'll be picking one angle and not it at the back. What you have here is going to be one angle and the remaining fabric. Adjust to the side and pin the other angle down. What you do to right, you do to left. Is as simple as that. Now, if my explanation is not aligning with what you see on the screen, I would advise you glue your eyes to the screen and follow the step on the screen. That really matters than my voice. Short, I am done. Do not forget to share, let other people enjoy. Give it a thumbs up and do leave a comment for me. Bye.
In the heart of nature's grace,